How to find all videos that you have liked on RedNote app. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. If you want to find all of the videos that you have liked on RedNote app, all you need to do is follow these few simple steps. So first thing first, open a RedNote app. Now yet let me start by liking few videos. So let me open these random videos and like it. So I will like some of these videos. Now to find the video that I have liked on this app, all I need to do is, on bottom right hand side of your screen, you will find this option Me. So tap on it. And then you will see your profile. So on middle of your screen, you will find different options like post, collects, likes. So what you need to do is tap on this likes option. And here you will find all the videos that you have liked on RedNote app. You can also unlike these videos from here. To do this, all you need to do is simply tap on this love icon located on each video. So this is how you can find all the videos that you have liked on RedNote app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.